step into the 2019 Dodge Durango. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as leather upholstery, heated front and rear seats, power moonroof, rain-sensing wipers, lane departure warning, and power front seats. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.